Yeah, today is 14th of March. Picked up a new battery. Got it installed on my wife's Arctic Cat 400. This is the exhaust. It's ice cold, so this will be a cold start after I got it running a couple days ago. Key on. Pump throttle twice. Hit start. Pump throttle. I believe I'm going to have to hold the throttle while trying to start. Two hands. I've got the idle turned way down. After it warms up, it idles at the correct RPM, but it's got to warm up first. Let me go ahead and put the seat back on. We'll crank it up. Go right around the lock a little bit. Hold on. I still got to put all the plastic panels on. I had some of the plastic clippy things for the panels at the house. Might have the right size, might not. Let me put you in my pocket for a minute and I'll crank it back up. Okay. Now it's on idle. It's just got to warm up for a second. And I'm idling about 1300 RPM. She'll go up in RPM just fine now. Got a killdeer coming up to make a nest. So anyway, now we're in reverse. And of course it died. Hold on. This gasoline that's in it is 2 years old. I'm about 100% positive I used ethanol-free gas. I'm still going to add, based on it having approximately 7 gallons in the tank, I'm going to add the correct amount of fuel stabilizer PRI-G. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I know I got some down here. this product here. Good stuff. And I don't remember if I treated the fuel on that or not. More than likely I did, but I'm not positive. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. So anyway, I got to pick up all my stuff and put it away, and that's about all for this one. Thank you.